Hi friends, how are you? In this video, I am going to ask you the questions on the topic growth hormone. Coming to the questions, don't cheat guys. Just listen the question and try to answer yourself. In before video, I posted the theory. First see that and try to answer the questions now. Watch that video. Growth hormone is secreted from which type of cells? First question. Somatotropes. Okay, growth hormone secreted from somatotropes. How much percent of somatotropes is constituted in total endocrine cells of the anterior pituitary? That is 50%. 50% constituted by the somatotropes for the secretion of growth hormone. Why we call the growth hormone as somatotropin? Because growth hormone promotes postnatal somatic growth. It does not stimulate fetal growth. Okay, it maintains the normal lean body and bone mass in adults. And next question is which type of structure it is? I am asking is it is like peptides, amines, RNA, something like that. It is a polypeptide. And how many amino acid it contains? My next question. That is 191 amino acids constituted in human growth hormone. Okay. What are the resemblance hormones that is structurally resemblance with growth hormone? That is prolactin, human prolactin and placental lactogen. Okay. And next question is what are the two forms of growth hormone and which one is abundant in total circulating growth hormone? There are two forms of growth hormone. They are 22K and 20K. The most abundant is 22K. Okay, that is 90%. How the growth hormone is synthesized and where? Growth hormone is synthesized as larger prohormone and it is synthesized in rough endoplasmic reticulum. Prohormone consists of what? The prohormone consists. Try to answer. N-terminal signal peptide and 191 amino acid peptide hormone. Okay. When the subsequently signal peptide is removed from the prohormone, it transfers through the Golgi operators. When the signal peptide is removed, it moves to Golgi operators and the hormone is packed in the Golgi operators. And where it's stored? It's stored in the granules of somatotropes. Okay. There are two hypothalamic hormones that control the synthesis of growth hormone. What are they and their roles? Answer guys. The first hormone is growth hormone releasing hormone that stimulates the release of growth hormone, and second one is somatostatin that inhibits the synthesis of growth hormone. And next question, why the patients with thyroid hormone gene deficiency also develops growth hormone deficiency? Once again, I am asking the question, why the patients with thyroid hormone gene deficiency also develops growth hormone deficiency? Because thyroid stimulating hormone also stimulates expression of growth hormone gene. This is the reason. Okay. What is the range of normal basal plasma growth hormone concentration in adults? Once again, the question is, what is the range of normal basal plasma growth hormone concentration in adults? That is 0 to 5 nanogram per milliliter. What are the main factors that supports the rate of growth hormone secretion? Primarily depends on the rate of growth hormone secretion primarily depends on the answer is balance between the action of growth hormone releasing hormone and somatostatin on somatotropes of anterior pituitary. Okay. Growth hormone has which feedback effect on growth hormone releasing hormone? Growth hormone has which feedback effect on growth hormone releasing hormone? Answer is negative feedback effect. That is, growth hormone releasing hormone has negative feedback effect on growth hormone releasing hormone. And growth hormone has which feedback effect on somatostatin secretion? Growth hormone has which feedback effect on somatostatin secretion? And answer is positive feedback effect. Okay, positive feedback effect. Growth hormone has positive feedback effect on somatostatin secretion. Growth hormone stimulates the secretion of which one, which in turn has a negative feedback effect on growth hormone secretion? Growth hormone stimulates production of dash, which in turn has a negative feedback effect on growth hormone secretion. And the answer is insulin-like growth factor 1, also called somatomedin C. Insulin-like growth factor 1 has effects on both at dash and dash levels. Insulin-like growth factor 1 has effects both at dash and dash levels. Pituitary level and hypothalamus level. because insulin like growth factor regulate the growth hormone secretion by influencing the secretion of growth hormone releasing hormone and somatostatin. It acts a growth hormone releasing factor, has effects both at the pituitary and hypothalamus level. What is the new growth hormone releasing factor that is described? It is ghrelin. Ghrelin is profoundly proposed to be new growth hormone releasing factor. Okay. At which stage growth hormone increases during dash and then secretion is maintained throughout the childhood? It is increases during the infancy. It is maintained throughout the childhood. Okay. Increases during infancy. At which stage of the life growth hormone secretion is enormous? That is at the puberty. There is a sudden increase in height and general growth of body. At this stage, the final height of the individual is mainly determined by the inherent growth hormone secreting capacity. Okay, and the answer is puberty. Growth hormone secretion increases enormously at puberty. The pulsatile secretion of growth hormone becomes more prominent in dash. Once again, the pulsatile secretion becomes more prominent in the dash. A dash time, that means I am asking about the time. It is the midnight, especially within the few hours of deep sleep. That is 70% of, okay, remember the percent guys, 70% of the total 24 hours growth hormone secretion occurs during which sleep? Approximately 70% of total 24-hour growth hormone secretion occurs during which sleep? That is slow wave sleep, stages 3 and 4 in the sleep. This is the chart. This is the graph. Okay, these are the graphs. This is the 24-hour fluctuations, and this is the whole life. In the throughout life, the rate of secretion of growth hormone is more at the puberty stage and increases during the infancy. In infancy, it increases. In 24-hour fluctuation, it is more at midnights. Okay. Mostly 70% are the slow wave sleep, that is stages 3 and 4. Okay guys, I already told the growth hormone has negative feedback effect on growth hormone releasing hormone, and the growth hormone has positive effect on somatostatin, And the growth hormone leads to the secretion of somatomedin C, that is insulin like growth factor 1, and it shows it affects on both the hypothalamus and somatotropes of anterior pituitary. Okay, if you like this video, like, share and subscribe, and next video is on the metabolism of growth hormone. Okay, thank you.